What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. We're back with Zionix Global. Just to touch bases with you, they have officially launched the weekend of the 17th, 18th. So last weekend they officially launched Zionix out in Dubai. So just wanted to come back and touch bases with you guys. If you haven't checked out this project, this crypto project, to see what it's all about, you can go to www.aitradingbot.info. You can get a free account there as well. But before we get into that, remember to smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos about Zionix Global or any other crypto news. All right, guys. So let's get over here. And before we get into any of that, let's get into the disclaimer that we must say here. Trading and investing in cryptocurrency involves significant risks. Digital assets are volatile and can fluctuate in value rapidly. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Zionix Global, nor we're not financial advisors, and we don't guarantee profits or returns of any kind. All right. So all users should only trade with funds they can afford to lose. Okay. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Okay. Risk capital only, guys. Okay. So no guarantees. Nothing provided by Zionix Global should be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Okay. You're solely responsible for your decision and assume all risks associated with crypto trading. All right, so now that we got that out the way, let's go. All right, so yes, I have decided to put some crypto in this platform, and this is where we are. I'm going to show you that in a second, but wanted you to see really what they've got in here, guys. This is different than any other platforms that I've got in before. Because they actually want to provide training here, not just a platform where you can, get crypto rewards. If you look here, training and education hub that they have, empowering you the knowledge to master the crypto markets. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do that, learn how to trade as well as just learn about crypto, get educated. All right, long-term success in cryptocurrency comes from informed learning, deliberate strategy, and responsible decision making. Zionix Global Training and Education Hub, a comprehensive learning platform. This is a learning platform included in every subscription, okay? Because we have a yearly subscription with Zionix. Whether you're starting out looking to fine-tune your advanced trading strategies, or Education Hub is designed to turn you into a confident, capable trader in the digital asset space. We don't just automate your trades, which is what I was just saying. They teach you how to think like a trader. Why education matters. In the ever-changing world of crypto, automation is powerful, but understanding why the market moves and how strategies work is even more valuable. Okay, so you want to get educated on the market. All right, not just park your crypto in a platform, right? So this is different. That's why education is core pillar of the Zionix Global ecosystem. With the right foundation, you not only use the tools that they have, you'll develop a skill set that empowers you to make smart, independent decisions even outside of the Zionix platform. Thought that was interesting. All right. So what does it include? The training hub, the tiered learning tracks for every experience level. So they have the beginner level, learn the fundamentals. What is cryptocurrency? That's very important, because when I got introduced to cryptocurrency, I had no idea anything about it. I was just told, hey, park your crypto in here. Okay, these are some platforms a couple years ago, and I didn't really understand it all, right? So this teaches you the fundamentals. What is cryptocurrency? How markets work? How to open and manage trades? Beginner level. Intermediate level, dive into technical analysis, candlestick patterns, indicators, risk management, and crypto-specific trading setups. Then they have the advanced level, where you can explore AI trading principles, market cycles, macroeconomics, bot strategy, refinement, and cross-platform trading techniques. Each track is designed to be progressive and self-paced, letting you learn at your own pace and new content added regularly. All right. So they actually have training here, real world strategy tutorials, building a trading plan, automated bot trading privilege, risk management. That's number 2. They have live learning events and mentorships. They send out Zooms, guys, pretty much every week on training. So you can jump on a live Zoom to learn and get mentored from experts, not just modules. These are live, okay? Zionix isn't just about self-study. Our community includes professional traders and educators who offer live mentorship, webinars, and private coaching events. Whether you're looking for guidance on bot strategy, manual trading, or market psychology, our mentors are here to help you grow with confidence. Look, weekly market analysis, all right? And they'll send out an email with a link for you to jump on these training calls, all right? So that's just one aspect of it. I just want to point that out. Training and education, all right, is key because you need to know what you're getting into, okay? The fundamentals. Now, let's go over here and take a look and see what we've got going on here. Let me refresh this thing here. All right, let's take a look. Zionix, I got into this thing. Let's see. Let's take a look under the starter level. For those of you, if you're here for the first time. All right, starter level. All right, 149 for my license once a year. That 149, okay, is the annual fee, and it's up to 1% per day. Up to, there's no guarantees, right? Up to. So my bot is activated, and let's see, when did we let's look at our info over here. As you can see, I started on September 3rd. Okay, so this thing says it's 50 days in, 48. I got different packages. 50 days on that one, 48 days on that one, 39 days, and 32 days. Okay, so we've got 4 packages in here. We're going to add a 5th one in here as well. Here are the packages. Okay, the starter pack, the standard pack, advanced pack, elite pack, and the VIP pack. So the starter is 149, which is what I just showed you for the year. And then to get into that starter pack, the minimum crypto deposit, which is crypto in, this project is crypto in, crypto out, 99 minimum, all right, to get in here for the starter pack and so forth. And you can go to that link that I just mentioned to you right here, all right, to get your account. All right, so that's where I am, and I got in when the withdrawal lock was only 30 days. It's now 6 months, all right, but you can get your crypto out. That's what I like about it. There is a fee, 30% fee, but you can get it out. Other platforms that I've got in over the years, once it's locked, it's in. You can't get it out until that whole term is over, but over here, you can get it out with a fee. Okay, so that's what we got going on, but let's go over here real quick to see what I've got here. So my wallet, Zionix wallet, this is what it's earned on its own. This is the bot. This has nothing to do with referrals. This is the Zionix wallet portion, and right here is strictly the bot. Okay, when you see the word referral, that's folks coming in that I've referred. They've signed up with my link, but the bot itself, okay. So we've gotten so far 110.97 just from that bot, and we put in 544 for that bot. All right, and I've withdrawn twice, 46.56, and now I have 60.97 in here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let that stay, but I see I have some referral rewards here. So what I'm gonna do is withdraw it, because the way they have it set, you can't. It has to be 100, right? It has to be 99, and this is not 99. Neither one of these are 99 to get a new package, right? So if you go over here, remember, to get a new package, Uh-oh, wrong one. Let's see, where is it? To get another package. Oh, let's see, where am I? Hold on. That's my license. Oh, yeah, I was at the right place. To get another package right here, see the minimum, that's the starter pack. That's what I have. The minimum is $99. My wallet is only showing $60 something and change, right? So what I'm going to do is basically withdraw it. I'm going to withdraw from the referral wallet, and then I'll put it back in, and it'll be added to the Zionix wallet. Then I'll have $127, right? Then I can definitely get another package because I only need 99. All right, so that's what we've got here. But the way this setup is very easy, guys. It's really 3 steps. You fund the account, which will go into this wallet. So you click fund, again, crypto in, right? And you specify right here how much. Click continue, and they'll give you the wallet address to send it to, right? Then you go over here and you purchase your license, right? And here's the licenses, which is what I showed you. We'll pay that once a year. See, it says annual membership. And then you'll activate your bot, guys. Okay, you'll select the package, right? So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to make a withdrawal, and then we'll come back so I can show you that went through. So we'll go down to, let's see, where's withdrawal on here? Withdraw funds. I already have my wallet ready. I'm going to withdraw it from the referral wallet, right? And it says how much, so I'm going to say 67. I'm going to click continue. I want TRC 20. Okay, and it's saying this is the amount. Now they take out 3%. See right here, 3% withdrawal fee. All right, where do you want us to send it to? That's the wallet address. I'm going to click continue. Are you sure? Yes. All right. Now, I got to get a code that I'm going to receive on my email, and I'll come back. Hang on. All righty. So, as you can see right here, it's requested, right? Go back over here. See that referral wallet is down to 47 cents. I withdrew 67. If I click on withdraw funds and come down, here it is. All right, it's pending. You need to allow up to, I'm getting these, you hear that noise because it's emailing me that I've requested a withdrawal. You need to allow up to 24 hours, guys, for this to be processed. Okay, and again, they're going to take out 3% of, it's a fee. Okay. So once it hits, I'll come back and show you guys that actually went through. But 2 have gone through with no problems. Here they are right here. And I showed you guys, the wallet address. But I'll show you when this one goes through, I'll show you that as well. But what I plan to do is it'll hit my wallet. I'll come back and I'll add it to this right here where it says fund account. I'll go here and see what will happen is it will, let's see, where is it? What will happen is going to show up here. On top of that, it'll be added to the $60.99, right? Because what I'll do is I'll click fund account and I'll put the amount here, and then it'll show up in this Zionix wallet. Then we'll come and we'll add another package, okay? We will activate, we'll go to bot and we'll activate. Down here, we'll be able to click here, and then you'll click the wallet, right? Because it says 60 right now, but it needs to be at least 99, see, minimum. So when I add that other 60 in there, it'll be 120, and then I'll put the amount here, and I'll add myself a 5th package, okay? So that's it, that's all. Just want to give you guys a quick update on Zionix Global. They are officially launched now. And again, check this thing out, get educated, get the training that they're going to be offering here. And you can go here to get started at www.aitradingbot.info. Again, make sure you're using risk capital only, no guarantees. All right. But so far, so good. That's it. That's all. Thank you so much. Like the video, please, and thank you. And click the subscribe button on the way out. See you on the next video. Have a great day.